Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Python series part 2. We successfully installed Python on macOS. If you have not watched the video, make sure to check it out first. In today's video, we are going to set up Python with a professional code editor called Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code. This video is extremely important for beginners because this is where real coding actually starts. What is Visual Studio Code? Visual Studio Code is a free and powerful code editor developed by Microsoft. It supports many programming languages and it is one of the most popular code editor for Python developers. Download and install VS Code on Mac. First, open your browser. Download and install VS Code on Mac. First, open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code. Open the official website and download the Mac OS version. Once the download is completed, open the zip file and drag Studio Code into application folder. Now open VS Code. Install Python extension in VS Code. After opening VS Code, look at the left side and click on the extension icon. In the search bar, type Python. Install the Python extension by Microsoft. This extension allows VS Code to understand and run Python code properly. Select Python interpreter. Now we need to tell VS Code which Python version to use. Press Command plus Shift plus P to open the command. Press Command plus Shift plus P to open the command platelet. Type Python, select interpreter and press enter. Select the latest Python version that you install on your Mac. Create your first Python file. Now let's write our first Python program. Click on new file and save it as hello.py. Type the following code. Here you can see. Save the file. Run the Python program. You can run the program. You can run the program by clicking the run button at the top. Or you can open the terminal inside VS Code and type python3 hello.py. Press enter. If you see the output hello from VS Code, that means everything is working perfectly. Important note: on Mac OS, always use the Python 3 command, not just Python. What's next? In the next video, we will learn about Python variable and data type from scratch with real example. If you want to learn Python from basic to advanced, make sure to subscribe the channel. This series will have regular new videos and the playlist link is available in the description. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.